How to fix we disabled your Facebook account for 180 days. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. So in order to get help from Facebook, you have to open up any of your preferred web application. In my case, I will be using Google Chrome. At the top search bar, type in Help Center Facebook. Once done, you will see Help Center by Facebook. If you scroll below, then you will also see Recover Your Account. You have to tap on that option. Then it will lead you onto a page like this. Here, scroll below. Then under Was this helpful? Tap onto No. Then choose the option of Other. And at this optional tab, you have to type in the problem. You can also type in the reason why your Facebook got disabled in the first place. And once you do all that, all you have to do is tap on to submit. And once done, you can also leave your email address so that Facebook can reach you back for any kind of information that it needs from you. Once you do all that, all you have to do is wait for a couple days and that will fix your problem. That is all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.